once again. And they're off. Early lead is taken by Blitzkrieg from the outside. Formidable Ella, Prince Carlo, Hakuna Matata, and Dancing Slew is bringing up the rear. And the mid-back stretch, it's Formidable Ella in the lead, followed by Prince Carlo. Moving up on the outside, Hakuna Matata, and Blitzkrieg on the inside. And nearing the part turn, there is still Formidable Ella in the lead, followed now by the outstanding favorite number 5, and that is Hakuna Matata. Rounding the part turn, Formidable Ella, followed by Hakuna Matata on the outside, Blitzkrieg running in third, Prince Carlo, and Dancing Slew. And at the last bend for home, the lead is taken over now by the favorite Hakuna Matata. Formidable Ella running in second, and here comes Blitzkrieg now moving up on the outside. At the top of the stretch, Hakuna Matata, Blitzkrieg on the outside, and moving up on the inside, Formidable Ella, Prince Carlo, and Dancing Slew. And into the home stretch, and nearing the playoff line, it is still Hakuna Matata, followed by Blitzkrieg on the outside in second. It's Hakuna Matata, Blitzkrieg on the outside, and finally, it's a cinch for Hakuna Matata. Blitzkrieg, Formidable Ella, Prince Carlo, Dancing Slew.
Yun din eh. 5-3, no?